Crazy Mike from CrazyMikesapps.com with an iPad app demo for PDF Reader iPad Edition by Kdan Mobile Software. This app currently sells for $4.99 in the iTunes App Store, is in the utility categories, and works on an iPad and iPad 2. There is a free version of this app called PDF Reader Lite, which will cost you nothing, is in the utilities category, works on iPad and iPad 2, also by Kdan Mobile. Not as feature-rich as this app. This is a very well feature-rich, functional PDF reader for the iPad and iPad 2. Let's check it out. Okay, immediately you can see I have a little document area over here with some folders in it. I have a document pulled up, which is an ebook called The Business of iPhone App Development, appropriately enough. And what we're going to do is check out the settings first on the upper left. You can change some things in here, PDF Reader, the vertical or horizontal, some file viewing choices, media player, and so on. There's also the ability to edit the documents there, or the edit to get rid of them. Also, you have a private folder, which actually requires a password to get in and out of in case you got some prying eyes looking at your PDFs. Down at the bottom there is a very robust navigation bar. From left to right we have the icon for sharing, Wi-Fi sharing, browser download, cloud storage, download tracker. Cloud storage, these are the services that they worked into this application: Box.net, iDisk, Dropbox, Google Docs, and your FTP client. There's the ability to make folders here very easily. You can also scan in images here very easily from your camera or photo library and make a PDF out of them. Very cool. You can also check out the information tab here and find out all of the information possible into what is going on with this app. They just had an update, and here are some of the newer features. We have a major whole new user interface. Very, very nice. I like it. It's very easy for me to get around and it's intuitive. New annotation toolbar supported, annotation typewrite, text box, forms filling, download multiple files from cloud storage, which I've already done, cloud storage FTP client, cloud storage Google Docs, online editing. Yeah, crazy. You can actually online live edit on Google Docs with this app, so crazy. Go back, whoops. That's how you go to full screen. Just take that arrow there. And then you also have, when you're into a document here, you can tap on the share and print or open in, and then it gives you some choices there. Goodreader, Dropbox, Evernote. So those are the information tab. Again, you're going to need to find everything out that you want to know there about this application. I found everything I needed to figure out when I was having trouble, because there is a lot of features in here. There are a lot of features in here. This grayed out VGA looking adapter is just that. If you plug an adapter in here and attach your iPad to a VGA, it'll actually output what's on your iPad onto a screen. And then that's the same settings as up there. Let's go ahead and jump into a document that I was looking at. The business of, we're going to go ahead and full screen this. The Business of iPhone App Development, Making and Marketing Apps That Succeed. Great book. I've been checking it out. It's got 400 some odd pages. You can easily scroll down, and again, you can horizontal or vertical scroll depending on how you want to do that. But you can do this. You can also pinch out and pinch in to zoom and focus, or to make larger or smaller. But a very cool sidebar is right here. And with this, you can actually see what page you're on, and you can simply slide the bar down to where you want to be. That is cool. Very cool. You also have some other options up here on navigation. You can touch on the bot, and that'll pop this open. You can bookmark. You can see the outline, or you'll see your bookmarks rather in there. I don't have any yet. You can look at your outline and tap on Chapter 9 and go to Chapter 9, Chapter 10, and so on. Or you can look at the thumbnail version and tap on where you want to go. That is very, very cool. Now, you can also annotate. And say I have this here, and I want to annotate. It pulls up some options. It pulls up another menu. Tap on the plus sign, or the pencil there, and I can actually choose my color, and I can actually start to let's see, I'll do a freehand, and then you can actually start to do stuff like that. You have all different options in here how you want to do that. You have the ability, we'll X out of there. We'll undo. Actually, you have your choices up here: undo, undo, and then we'll cancel that, and then you can actually save this after you do that. You can put notes in there, and that's your bookmark ability there with the little bookmarks. So very, very robust. There's a lot to this application. Great for reading PDFs. It's half the price of one of the other PDF readers that I saw out there, so that is just something you may want to consider when you are looking at that. Tap again to get your top menu. You can also go page to page by doing the button there, and also these plus and minus on the vertical right side navigation is to make it smaller and bigger instead of pinching and zooming. Pop that back into that screen. We can go back into our documents there. That is PDF Reader iPad Edition by Kdan Mobile Software. This is a great PDF reading application for the iPad. Check it out. Until next time, this has been Crazy Mike saying see ya.